Welcome back to the DIY 3D paper art mini course. In this final part we are bringing our spooky dessert plate to life with the Evil Cupcake. Let's start coloring its creepy head. I'm using pumpkin orange for the perfect Halloween pop. Use a slightly darker orange for shading to give him some spooky depth. For the topping, I'm going with greens, a little eerie but sweet. Now color the cupcake base with brown and shade it with a deeper tone to make it look baked and sinister. For the mouth and eyes, use deep red and a bright red for the bloodthirsty tongue. Add subtle grey tones to shade his eyeballs, teeth and the little skull topping. Remember, this step can make or break the look. Time to cut out our evil cupcake. Use a hobby knife and always work on a cutting mat. Take your time, be gentle and watch your fingers. We want to keep all 10 of them intact. Now re-ink those outlines to bring back definition and contrast. This makes all the details pop and ties the whole 3D effect together. And that's it! Our Halloween dessert plate is complete. The Evil Cupcake has risen. It's a perfect creepy centerpiece for your table or wall this Halloween. More wicked treats may follow, so keep an eye on this course and the channel. Happy Halloween!